Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Combined Defense Service Examination. Name of post is Lieutenant. Qualification asked is graduation. Here the age limit for IMA entry is 2nd July 2001 to 1st July 2006, and for OTA entry age limit is 2nd July 2000 to 1st July 2006. You should be born between these dates, then only are eligible. Number of vacancies are 395. Place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 14 lakhs after training. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th June 2024. Friends, before you move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU exam prep website. There we are offering a reasoning video lecture course for PSU examination, so check out that course also. Coupon code and website link is mentioned in the description. You can check them in detail. I wish you all the best for your examination. Friends, next vacancy is from Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Name of post is Chartered Accountant. Qualification asked is Qualified CA. Along with that, you need to have a membership of ICI, then only eligible. Age limit is 27 years. There are 29 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. A package offered is really good, that is 17.33 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th June 2024. Friends, we have also made a separate video for this vacancy. You can check that video for detailed description about this vacancy. Next vacancy is from Innovations for Defense Excellence. Name of post is Deputy Program Director Financial Services. Here the qualification asked is MBA Finance, CA, CMA or 2-year PGDM Finance. Age limit is 40 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 6 years of experience. Your salary will be 1,40,000 to 1,80,000 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from Innovations for Defense Excellence. Name of post is Program Executive Financial Services. Qualification asked is same as that of last vacancy. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Again, it's a contractual job. Here you need to have 2 years of experience. Salary will be 80,000 to 1,20,000 per month. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, that is IBPS. Name of post is Group B Office Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation along with proficiency in local language of state where you are applying. So they have multiple vacancies for different states. So you are applying for any particular state, you need to have a knowledge of that local knowledge, then only eligible. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are massive 5,709 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary will be 20,000 in hand. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from IBPS. Name of post is Group A Officer Scale 1 Assistant Manager. Here the qualification asked is same as that of last vacancy, that is graduation along with state local language knowledge required. Age limit is 30 years. There are 3,551 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here your per month salary will be 32,000. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is again from IBPS. Here it is Group A Officer Scale 2 General Banking Officer Manager post. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 496 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience as an officer in bank or financial institution. Here per month salary will be 37,000 in hand. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from IBPS. Name of post is Group A Officer Scale 2 Specialist Officer CA or Specialist Officer Treasury Manager. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 81 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 1 year of experience. Your per month salary is 37,000 in hand. I guess this is just a basic salary, and apart from that you will be paid all other benefits and allowances. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th June 2024. And next vacancy is again from IBPS Group A Officer Scale 3 Senior Manager. Here the qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Age limit is 40 years. There are 129 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, this is a permanent vacancies. You need to have 5 years of experience as an officer in bank or financial institution. Here permanent salary mentioned is 44,000 in hand. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th June 2024. And next vacancy is from Bank Note Paper Mill India Private Limited. Name of post is accounts assistant. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 60% marks. Here upper age limit is 28 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mysore. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Here permanent salary will be 24,500 and apart from that you will be paid DA, HR and all other benefits of the company. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th June 2024. The next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is office assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mysore and it's a permanent vacancies. Rest all detail are same as that of last vacancy. And next vacancy is from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Name of post is assistant grade finance and accounts. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Age limit is 28 years. There are 17 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. A permanent salary will be 38,250. Mode of application is online and last date is 25th June 2024. Friend, we have also made a separate video for this vacancy, so you can check that video also. Next vacancy is again from Nuclear Power Corporation. Name of post is assistant grade HR or assistant grade C and MM, that is carriage and material management, I think. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Age limit is 28 years. And there are 29 vacancy for HR post and 12 vacancy for C and MM. Place of posting will be in Mumbai, that is the head office of NPCIL. Nature of employment is permanent. Experience is not asked by them. Permanent salary will be 38,250. Mode of application is online and last date is 25th June 2024. And next vacancy is from Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute. Name of post is senior accounts officer and the qualification asked is graduate or master's degree in finance, commerce or economics, but desirable is that you should be a CA, CMA or diploma in financial management or knowledge of government rules and regulation. Upper age limit is 37 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Arunachal Pradesh. Hence is a contractual job. The experience asked is 6 years and 4 years if you are applying based on master's degree. Permanent salary is 94,599. Mode of application is online by 28th June 2024 and by offline your document should reach their office by 8th July 2024. And next vacancy is again from Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute. Name of post is accounts officer. Here the qualification asked is graduate degree in finance, commerce or economics. Desirable is that you should be either a CA inter or CMA inter or diploma in financial management or having a knowledge of government rules and regulation. Upper age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Arunachal Pradesh. Friends, is a contractual job. You need to have 5 years of experience. A permanent salary offered is 74,091. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is again from Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute. Name of post is senior accountant. Qualification asked is degree in commerce and desirable is that you should be a CA inter or CMA inter pass, knowledge of government rules and regulation. Age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Arunachal Pradesh. Again, it's a contractual job. 5 years of experience asked. A permanent salary is 58,986. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 2 vacancies. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find these vacancies useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.